Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about different types of operators in Java. Okay. Now, here I'll say int a is equal to 7 and here I'll say int b is equal to 3. Alright. Now, we have already learnt few of the operators without saying that they were operators or without knowing that they were operators. So let me say system dot out dot println and inside let me say a plus b. Okay, a plus b. Now this plus is an operator. Okay, plus is an operator. So let me run it to get 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Minus is an operator. So minus gets you the difference. Okay. Similarly, for multiplication, we use star symbol. Okay, star symbol. So on your keyboard, on the number pad, you have star symbol on number 8. Okay, number keys. So star is used for multiplication. Okay, so this is also an operator. We have divide symbol, which is forward slash. Okay, which gets you 2 because we have int here. And to get remainder, we use percentage symbol. Okay, so a percentage b gets you the remainder of this. Okay, 7 divided by 3. How much is the remainder? 1. And that can be obtained by using percentage symbol. Okay, percentage symbol. These plus, minus, star, forward slash and percentage are called as arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. There are few others, but let us not learn those. Okay, arithmetic operators. Next, we'll learn about assignment operators. Okay, so let me delete this. Let me delete this. So here I have said int a equal to 7 is equal to is nothing but an assignment operator. We are assigning value of 7 to a, correct? So this is an assignment operator. So here I will say a is equal to a plus 3. Okay, a plus 3. A is equal to a plus 3. And here let me print a. So when I run it, I get 10. Okay, I get 10. Now, instead of writing a is equal to a plus 3, I can also write a plus equal to 3. Okay, a plus equal to 3. So let me run it and I get the same result 10. Alright. So this a plus is equal to 3 is same as a is equal to a plus 3. Okay, this is same as a equal to a plus 3. So let me run it to get 10. Now, this is an assignment operator. But what is this? What is this? This is a comment. Okay, this is a comment. Using two forward slashes, we leave note to ourselves and others who will be referring to your program. Okay, to leave out notes, we use comments, and comments start with double forward slashes. Okay, now basically in simple terms, comment means the Java will not execute this. Okay, so after forward slashes, whatever you write, will be ignored by Java. So if you have any code that you do not want to run, then you can add two forward slashes in front of it to prevent it from executing. Okay, so let me delete this for now. Let me delete it for now, and let me add two forward slashes here. And as soon as I add forward slashes, you can see that these are grayed out. These are not in black or blue color. So now when I run it, I get 7 and not 10. That is because Java is not executing this, or a plus equal to 3 is not happening, and so whatever value is stored in a, which is 7, gets printed out. Okay, so let me delete this. So a plus equal to 3 is same as a equal to a plus 3. Alright, similarly we have a minus equal to 3. Alright, a minus equal to 3. Now this is same as a equal to a minus 3. A equal to a minus 3. So let me delete this. Okay, let me comment it out. Okay, we call it as commenting it out. So this will not be executed now. Okay, this will not be executed. So only this line and this line, or this much and this line will be executed. So now when I run it, I get 4 as result. That is because a is 7 here, and I am saying a equal to a minus 3. This one. Okay, if you are getting confused by this, you can avoid this. You can use this itself. Okay, so a 7 minus 3 4, and that gets assigned to a here. Okay, and that is what is being printed. So similarly, we have a into equal to 3, a forward equal to 3, a percentage equal to 3. We have all those. Alright, we have all those, and these are called as assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. Now let me delete this. Now we'll learn about comparison operators. Okay, comparison operators. We are comparing two variables. Alright, so I'll say int b equal to 3. Here I'll say a greater than b. Okay, a greater than b. Now here a is 7 greater than b. Is it greater than b? Yes, 7 is greater than 3. Now when I run it, I get true as result, or I get a boolean value as result. You know about boolean values, correct? It is either true or false. Since this comes out as true, I am getting true in the output. Okay, 7 is greater than b, so true. 7, let me say less than b, 7 less than b, and let me run it to get false. 7 is not less than 3, and so I am getting false. Okay, so this greater than symbol and less than symbol are comparison operators. Okay, comparison operators. Now let me have 7 here, and to check if both are equal, we use double equal to symbol. Okay, to check if both are same, we use double equal to symbol. So let me run it to get true. So 7 is equal to 7, and so the result is true. Okay, now to check whether a is not equal to b, we use a exclamation mark equal to. Okay, a exclamation mark equal to b. So this exclamation mark and equal to stands for not equal to. So I'll run it to get false. Okay, so what we are asking is whether a is not equal to b. A is equal to b here, and so this comes out as false. Okay, now we have this 2. Okay, we have this 2. This is greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to. it checks whether A is greater than B. A is not greater than B, and so it checks whether A is equal to B. So if either one of this is true, then the result will come out as true. Okay. So 7 is not greater than 7, but 7 is equal to 7, and so we get false. And similarly, we have less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. When I run it, I get true. It checks whether A is less than B. 7 is not less than B, and so it proceeds to next. Whether A is equal to B. Yes, A is equal to B, and so we get true. Okay. So this or these, which one? Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, is equal to means double equal to, okay, is equal to, and not equal to are comparison operators, okay. So arithmetic operators, plus minus, into, forward slash, percentage, assignment operators, equal to and plus equal to, and then comparison operators are the different types of operators in Java. Okay, and then we have we have learned about commenting, correct? So if you want to prevent codes from running, you can use forward slashes. Now about comments, you can have multi-line comment too. That means, let me say let me copy this. Okay, I'll say C and I'll say D. If I do not want to, or let me say E. Okay, E. So if I have many lines and if I do not want to execute some of these lines, then I can use this. Okay, forward slash and star. Okay, forward slash and star, and ending star and forward slash. Okay, star and forward slash. So whatever is in between forward slash and star and forward slash will not be executed. Okay, will not be executed. So if I do not have this, then from here to here will not be executed and you will get an error. Okay, so I want this to be executed, and so I'll have star and forward slash here. Now this is called as multi-line comment. That means you are using these to comment using multiple lines. Okay. Now one, as I told you, use is to prevent codes from executing, and one is to leave notes to others. Why do you want to leave notes? When you are working on a project, you have many people working on the same project. So you may have been assigned some part of the project, some other person may have been assigned some other part of the project. So you will have to refer his program, he has to refer your program. And sometimes it is good to leave out comments or notes so that when the other person looks at your program, he'll come to know why you have done something. Okay, so here I'll say this code checks if, in the next line I'll say A is equal to B. Okay, so you can leave out notes like this. As you know, this will not be executed and it doesn't make any sense to the program. Okay, so this helps the other person who is looking at your program to understand why you have written something. Okay, and by using comments we achieve this. Alright, so I hope you have understood. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and take care.